EPO-N is specifically designed for cleaning laser filters. This material, an environmentally friendly cleaning process, is conducted in a nitrogen atmosphere, offering numerous advantages to the user. The pyrolysis cleaning method is very gentle on materials. To start the furnace, it only needs to be connected to high voltage power and compressed air. An EPO-N is controlled via a very simple and user-friendly pyrolysis system with a touchscreen interface. Before the initial heating phase begins, the EPO-N is flooded with nitrogen. Our lambda sensor measures the oxygen content within the EPO-N chamber. The first heating phase starts only when the oxygen level is below 14, gradually increasing the temperature to approximately 360 degC. At this temperature, the plastic begins to liquefy and mostly drips off the laser filters. Next, the internal temperature of the EPO is raised. At this temperature, the molecular chains of the plastics break down and turn to ash. The gases generated during the cleaning process are burned off by an afterburner located at the top of the furnace. The resulting exhaust must be vented outside. The tools are not subjected to brushing, scraping, or any other mechanical processes, ensuring maximum lifespan of the components. After the parts are cleaned, the slide with the laser filters is pushed back on the trolley. The EPO-N leaves laser filters as clean as new, effectively removing all contaminants without the need for additional cleaning. The drip material is collected in a catchment container. The EPO-N offers a highly user-friendly cleaning process for the catchment container, allowing for quick and easy maintenance. For added efficiency, a second catchment tray can be used to save time, or the original tray can be cleaned and reused. This flexibility ensures minimal downtime and seamless operation. If multiple trolleys are in use, the EPO can be immediately reloaded and the next cleaning cycle can begin. The EPO-N is an outstanding pyrolysis furnace designed for effortless and efficient laser filter cleaning. It offers a user-friendly operation, ensuring filters are as clean as new with minimal maintenance required. It's a material-preserving process. Cleaning has never been this easy, with the EPO-N simplifying every step of the process to ensure effortless and thorough results every time.